Have you ever wondered why red onions are often called a superfood? It's not just about their strong flavor or vibrant color. There's more to this humble vegetable than meets the eye. In today's video, we'll explore the surprising health benefits of red onions, backed by scientific research. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your heart health, or simply add more nutrition to your diet, stay tuned, because these little powerhouses might just change your health for the better. Red onions are part of the allium family, which also includes garlic, leeks, and shallots. They're rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins C, B6, and manganese, and they contain beneficial compounds like antioxidants and flavonoids. Did you know that red onions contain more antioxidants than white or yellow onions? According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, red onions have the highest levels of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. You'll learn how these antioxidants work later in the video, but first, let's dive into how red onions impact your health on a deeper level. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Luckily, red onions might have a role in improving your cardiovascular health. Red onions are rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which has been shown to help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clot formation. One study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming onions can reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood circulation and reducing plaque buildup in the arteries. Imagine adding something as simple as red onions to your salad could help protect your heart. How incredible is that? But that's just the beginning. Onions, especially red ones, are packed with sulfur-containing compounds. These have been studied for their potential role in cancer prevention. Research published in Cancer Prevention Research found that regular consumption of onions, especially raw, can lower the risk of several cancers, including stomach, colon, and breast cancer. Red onions specifically contain anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and have been linked to anti-cancer properties. Think about it. Simply incorporating red onions into your meals may help lower your risk of one of the most feared diseases. Let's take a deeper look at the science. Red onions are rich in fiber, especially inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, from improving digestion to boosting your immune system. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition suggests that prebiotics, like those found in onions, improve gut flora balance, which in turn strengthens the immune system and helps prevent digestive disorders. Ever experienced stomach issues after eating processed foods? Well, red onions can help counteract some of those problems by promoting a healthy gut. Let's explore how. The antioxidants and vitamins in red onions, particularly vitamin C and quercetin, contribute to a stronger immune system. Research published in Nutrients highlights the role of quercetin in modulating the immune response, acting as an antiviral and anti-inflammatory agent. Whether it's flu season or you're just trying to keep your body in peak condition, eating red onions could be the natural boost your immune system needs. How amazing is that? Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain balanced glucose levels. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, onions can help improve insulin sensitivity, thereby aiding in blood sugar control. Next time you're planning your meals, think about how adding red onions could naturally help regulate your blood sugar. It's such an easy change with a big impact. Red onions are packed with vitamins and minerals that can benefit your skin and hair. The vitamin C content helps with collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful, while sulfur compounds support hair growth. A study published in Dermatology Reports found that onion juice can even help treat alopecia and promote hair regrowth. Have you been struggling with dull skin or thinning hair? Red onions might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Let's talk about how you can use them. Quercetin in red onions is not just an antioxidant, it also acts as a potent anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Studies, such as one published in the Journal of Inflammation Research, indicate that quercetin can reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and allergic reactions by inhibiting histamine production. Whether you suffer from allergies or joint pain, red onions might offer relief you never expected, all from something you probably already have in your kitchen. How to incorporate red onions into your diet. Salads, stir-fries, and even smoothies. Yes, there are many ways to incorporate red onions into your meals. Some benefits are maximized when red onions are eaten raw, but cooked onions also retain many of their nutrients. Practical cooking tips. Add thin slices to your sandwiches or wraps. Toss them into a salad with a squeeze of lemon to mellow the flavor. Try caramelizing them for a sweet addition to any dish. Incorporating red onions into your diet is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to improve your health. From boosting your immune system to reducing your risk of heart disease and cancer, these little powerhouses are more than just a kitchen staple. Try adding them to your meals today and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more health tips and nutrition advice. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any other favorite ways to use red onions in your cooking.